वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed how the jeweler Salis Rai gives 100 gold coins for having a look at the precious red stone. But Guruji returned his money not once or twice but 7 times. Bhai Mardana ji was taking the coins back and forth, and for the last time he threw the money in Salis Rai's shop and came back. Now, what happens next? After this incident, Salis Rai keeps on thinking, who are these people? Why did they return 100 gold coins that was simply free money? So, he prepared a great meal for them and sent his servant Bhai Adarkha to meet them and to know more about them. When Bhai Adarkha arrived, he saw Guruji singing his divine hymns, and he stood there completely mesmerized by his singing. When Guruji finished, Bhai Adarkha presented the food and fell at Guruji's feet, and he felt ecstasy. As mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 473. Kar hukam mastak hath tar, ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮਾਰ ਕੱਢੀਆਂ ਬੁਰਾਈਆਂ. Meaning, when the Lord places his hand on our foreheads, all the wickedness departs from within. Friends, this is what happened to Bhai Adarkha when Guruji blessed him. He was dispelled from the cycle of birth and death, and he gained ecstasy. When Bhai Adarkha returned, he told all about Guruji's divinity to Salis Rai. Now, Salis Rai was also eager to have a glimpse of Guruji and came to meet him. Salis Rai arrived along with his servant. He bowed and sat with folded hands. Then he said, I am blessed to have a look at that diamond, but even more blessed to have a look at you. That is the Almighty Himself. After some silence, he asked, please bless me so that I can have the sense of the Lord. Then Guruji recited Bani as mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 990. Bimal Majar Basas Nirmal, Jal Padman Javal Re. Padman Javal Jal Ras Sangat, Sang Dokh Nahi Re. Dadar Tu Kab Hai Na Janas Re. Pakhas Sibal Baks Nirmal Jal, Amrit Na Laks Re. Rahao. Bas Jal Nitna Vast Aliyal, Mer chacha gunre. Guruji explained to him, listen Salis Rai, the lotus and the scum both are in water. The scum is dirty, the lotus is clean and has sweet nectar in it. Both are very close to each other, but the lotus does not become dirty despite its closeness to the scum. Then the frog also lives in that water. It eats the scum but doesn't drink the nectar. The frog has no awareness of the nectar in the lotus. But the black bee that comes from a distance, it drinks the nectar from the lotus. Meaning, the frog is so near to the lotus, but it has no insight of it. and yet the black bee has the insight. So, even from a distance, it comes and drinks its nectar. And as such, are your eyes that have got the sensation of judging the diamonds. Mardana has the sensation of the waves of music. Similarly, those who love the Lord get a godly sensation of the presence of the Lord within oneself. Salis Rai then said, O godly soul, be gracious to me. Give me the Lord's sensation. Guruji answered, Your servant has already got the sensation of the Lord. He looked inwardly deeply, and by the grace of the Lord got the sensation. Listening to this, Salis Rai looked towards his servant and fell at his feet. When Guruji saw this humility, he got up and gave 1.5 meters of cloth from his turban to him. Salis Rai tied it on his head, and the moment he tied, he got the sensation of Lord. As mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, Salis bandeo sees par, शीगर खुले कपाट, ज्ञान आनंद पूरन प्यो, टठ्यो और ही ठाट. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.